Ready starts. When we insure a package which we dispatch by mail, comma, do we get a receipt? Question mark. A zeal for justice should be the mark of each citizen, comma, high or low, comma, rich or poor, full stop. We readily obey laws which history teaches are the wisdom of centuries. We full stop. We have several large decks which we wish to dispose of. I think we should reduce them to 6 guineas a piece, comma, and if we do so, comma, we ought to succeed in disposing of them, full stop. Besides the decks, comma, we have several large red rugs which we have had in the shop too long, comma, and I think we ought to put them on sale, comma, too, full stop. If we make them cheap enough, comma, we should have many customers for them, full stop. What do you think? Question mark. I wish you would come to the city and discuss this sale with us, full stop. I wish to cancel my passage on the vessel sailing on 16th March, full stop. The judge counsel is wise and sincere, comma, and I think we should listen to what he says, full stop. I will write to an officer of the firm today, comma, and when I receive an answer, I will get in touch with you, full stop. When you know these lessons thoroughly, comma, you will be on your way to a business career, full stop.